Animal M STAK, the complete, non-hormonal lean mass stack. Having trouble gaining size despite pounding food and training with intensity? You're probably a hard gainer. M STAK aims to help promote increased muscle protein synthesis, turning hard gainers into hard gains by helping improve nutrient partitioning. Basically, this will help with your body absorbing more of the food you're eating. M STAK is non-hormonal, nutrient partitioning, and protein synthesis optimizer, increases insulin sensitivity, promotes intensified metabolism, contains anti-catabolic and natural anabolic complexes. Animal M STAK, the non-hormonal anabolic stack.
BP Muscle ตัวแทนนำเข้าและจัดจำหน่ายผลิตภัณฑ์อาหารเสริมแบรนด์ Animal และ Universal รวมไปถึงอุปกรณ์ฟิตเนสแบรนด์ Grizzly อย่างเป็นทางการแต่เพียงผู้เดียว